Ready to level up your Nintendo Switch experience by connecting with friends and expanding your gaming community. First things first, power on your Nintendo Switch and navigate to the home screen. Look for the orange icon that says System Settings at the bottom. It's shaped like a gear. Tap that to open up your Switch's settings menu. Once you're in System Settings, scroll down on the left-hand side until you find the Users option. Select it. This will show you all the user profiles on your Switch. Now, select the user profile that you want to add friends to. After selecting a user, another menu will appear here. You'll find Add Friend at the bottom of the menu. Select Add Friend. You'll see several different ways to add friends. Let's go through them quickly. The first is search for local users. This is for if your friend is nearby, and also on this screen. Next is search with friend code. Each Switch user has a unique 12-digit friend code. If you know your friend's code, type it in here and send a friend request. You can also search for users you played with. This will bring up a list of other players you recently played online with, making it easy to send them friend requests. Lastly, you can search from friend suggestions. This is for any friends that are linked to your Nintendo account. Once you've sent a friend request using any of these methods, the other person will need to accept it. When they do, you'll both be added to each other's friend lists, and you'll be able to easily see when they're online and join their games. And that's it. You are now ready to connect with your friends on Nintendo Switch. Happy gaming!